Assalamu alaikum. Early Standard Mathematics A by Cantab publisher, and remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board, and our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And today's topic, big and small. It's mean that by the end of the lesson, students will be able to differentiate between big and small objects. So to begin with the lesson, what I am going to do, I am going to introduce two characters like this. Hello. Change your voice quality. Hello. I am a big fish. Hello. I am a small fish. Big fish, small fish. Big fish, small fish. Hello. I am a big circle. Hello. I am a small circle. A big circle? No, a big circle. A small circle. Okay. I am big one. I am small one. Big one, small one. Big. Small. Big. Small. Now you can ask your students to get involved and to give you the sign and to make the sign of big. Okay. After this, what you can do, you can give them Play-Doh, and you can ask them to use Play-Doh to make two types of ball. Look at here. Big and small, big and small, big and small. Big ball, small ball. Big ball, small ball. After this, what you can do, you can divide your students into two groups. One group can find out the things which are big one, and the other group can find out the things which are small one. After doing this activity, invite them for the book walk. And what is given in the book walk? Well, two kinds of bear. Hi or hello, I am a small bear. Hello, I am a big bear. Then tick the big picture and cross the small picture. Now ask the student, guide the student to complete this exercise by their own. After this, you can ask them to make two kinds of display in the classroom. In one side, they can display bigger things, big things, and on the other side, they can display smaller things. As a homework, you can ask them to collect some pictures showing big and small objects. Thank you very much.